Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to assign Jira tasks to multiple assignees. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings icon at the top right of your screen to open this drop-down menu. In here, click on the Work Items option. In this new tab containing your work item settings, in this left panel, scroll down to the Fields section, then click on the Fields option. In this new tab, click on Create New Field at the top right corner, then this right panel will open. In the field type, look for the User Picker Multiple Users option. To make it easier to look for it, just type it in this field and click on this option right here. After that, type in a name for your field and then type in a description if you want. Next, just click on Create down here to create this new field. Next, to make this field functional, click on the three-dot icon at the far right of your screen. Then in this drop-down menu, click on the Add Field to Screen option. This separate tab will open where you will click on the box of the screen or screens you prefer. Lastly, click on Update down here to save your changes. And that is how you can assign Jira tasks to multiple assignees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.